Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we'll take a look at Palantir stock is going to make you lose a lot of money if you buy here right now. So let's talk about all of that through the lens of technicals. I'll show you some data on the short volume side as well with Palantir. And yes, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Palantir stock, let's a little bit take a look at its price action first. Palantir stock here, if you look at it from August, and it's been almost now 5 months that you haven't really gained anything on Palantir stock. It has just gone sideways. Yes, it has had its great runs so far. It was a very beaten up stock, and where it is at now, it almost tested $200. And it came, all the way down from like $20 or so forth within a year, right? But the thing is that the thing is just not able to push much higher. We are seeing a lot of sell-off happening, in this zone. It's unable to break this zone, and thus it's not in the bullish momentum right now. This thing is in the distribution phase. And let me show you something here on the short volume side. Let's turn it on my tools. If you need access to my tools, guys, details are in the description of this video. Now, anything on Palantir 30% above is definitely a high short volume percent on day-to-day basis. And what I'm seeing is lately on Palantir is we are seeing 34 short volume percent, 30 short volume percent, 30 short volume percent, 32, 30, right, 29. And along the lines, like lately we are seeing a lot of short volume come in on Palantir in recent days, but on day-to-day basis. So definitely this is something you gotta keep it in the back of your head. You should not be buying Palantir stock, not only for the reasons that there's high short volume, but also price action is confirming to the downside, together compound with the short volume. So as I just showed you earlier, that pretty much we are rejecting in the supply zones here, right? We are unable to get above these supply zones, and here came back up. I just showed you a high short volume percent here, and then also we are now following up. Even the last trading day we had over 30 short volume, 30% short volume. I mean, you should not buy Palantir over here, guys. Okay, if somehow, and at this point you will have to let it clear this area, or even 182 and 189, these are your two areas. Only if it somehow clears it up, then only there is more upside on Palantir. Otherwise, no. Palantir, if you made money from $20 all the way to now 180, almost 170 as per the last day closing price, you should be happy. All right, you should not expect more out of it. All right, because not just because it's too high now in the price. No, it's because the price action is not confirming us any bullish structure. You are cooked if you are gonna buy Palantir. Okay, so now if you buy right now, there is more likelihood that you're gonna lose money on Palantir. So how low can we continue as we stay weak? Well, this week, looking at the price action here, we are right below that, almost that edge now. Like technically losing 177 to 176 was a negative side on this thing again. Previously we got bearish from 190, and now it's again a bearish from it's a trailing area that we are pushing lower now from 190 now to 177, because it just is not able to hold, right? And now technically, yes, 200 days moving average can give it some bounce, but as we stay below 174, no. But you are really not you shouldn't actually look to buy it as we stay below 182. You want to see it above 182 to 189 range and above, then only it's a clear breakout. Otherwise it has just more likelihood to weaken. Now 200 days moving average can give it some bounces, but it's less likely it has a momentum right now. Earnings are coming. I don't think until earnings there is big move is going to happen in Palantir. And as if there's more likelihood of gap down as well through the earnings. And anytime we lose 200 days moving average, then we are watching levels like 148, and after 148, 108 and 25. The thing is that just after losing 200 days moving average here, you are more looking at the levels of the downside. So it has a room to fall right now. All right, That's all I had for you in this video. And with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.